everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a glitch effect in Canva. So let's get started. So here I have my Canva editing web page and you can choose your own size. So here I chose the thumbnail size. I suppose you can do this with any size, and then you can upload your picture. Okay, so here I have my picture loaded, and then you can just click on that if it is not clicked, and then you will see effects button over here. So just click on that. So when you scroll down, you will see the glitch option. So click see all, and there are lots of glitch options. So you can choose the classic one. There is even a mirror one. If you want to go too crazy, you can do that. So I'm just gonna choose the radiate option. If you are satisfied, and yeah, then you can add your background and all of those stuff and then download it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.